Hello everybody, welcome back to the AI video. In this one, we're talking about Deepseek. That's right, Deepseek R1 and all the other models. You've probably heard about it. If you're on Twitter, it is blowing up the Twitter sphere. If you are in the capital markets, it is moving to US markets. Well, here's the thing. I'm going to give you a quick overview of it, a quick high-level summary, and then more importantly, I'm going to show you how you can use it working inside ChatLLM Teams and CodeLLM. And before you ask, yes, they are hosted on US servers, so you will not be sharing any of your data with overseas adversaries. Last but not least, I'm going to give you a couple examples of some code that we're going to cook up. We're going to watch it work, and I'm going to show you just how good this is. You're going to love it. Let's click in. Let's go. All right, the next step is you got to log in, and it's easy to do. Head over to their website, abacus.ai, links in the description below. And when you're here, you're going to see up at the top, you'll see ChatLLM and CodeLLM. Now, I want to mention here that they come bundled together, so if you get ChatLLM, CodeLLM comes with it, and vice versa. I'm going to go ahead and click on ChatLLM here to start. And then the other thing I want to mention here is that ChatLLM and CodeLLM together is only $10 per user per month. I mention that because ChatGPT alone is $20 a month. So for half the price, you get 10, 20, 100 times more functionality. It's absolutely crazy. I don't know how they do it, but they do it. So there we go. Click on Get Started. If you have an account, click on Sign In. And now let's start cooking. All right, here we are. We're logged in. And the first thing you're going to see here up at the top is we've got Root LLM selected. When I click on that down arrow like I just did here, take a look here. Underneath it, you're going to see Deepseek R1. Yes, Deepseek R1 came out yesterday and they had it integrated in the same day. Absolutely crazy. And again, these are hosted on US servers, so none of your data is going abroad. So just keep that in the back of your head. So we've gone ahead and we've selected Deepseek R1. Now let's enter in a prompt. Let's start with some Python here, and let's just take a quick look at how this works. All right, so here we are. We are in ChatLLM Teams. We're going to start with ChatLLM Teams, and then we're going to move to CodeLLM, which is their AI code editor. So let's just start with a nice simple prompt here. Write sample code to plot Nvidia stock prices using Python. And yes, this is very good timing because the stock market is all over the place because nobody's 100% sure what to make of this release. It sort of came out of nowhere, and some people are like, oh, this is a Sputnik moment and this is going to change the world, and some are like, it's not a big deal. OpenAI's got something better cooking, or Grok or whatever, Grok 3 that's coming. So again, I'm not going to go too deep down that hole, but here we go. We'll see here that it's given us its reasoning here, and again, we're using Deepseek R1. Okay, let's see. The user wants to plot Nvidia stock prices using Python. So first I need to figure out the best way to get some stock data. It tells you exactly what it's thinking and exactly what it's doing. I love it. This is open source. So you know what? You're going to get to see a lot going on under the hood where, open AI's models, maybe not so much. So this is pretty wild stuff here. I'm not going to read through all of this, but I do want to show you that it's there. And then as we go down here, you're going to see that it executed here. It gave us the code. So here it is. Here's a sample Python code to plot Nvidia stock price history using YFinance and Matplotlib. And look at that. If you want to take the code and copy it right there, just hit the copy button. It's yours. Drop it into your IDE or whatever you're looking to do with it, into a Jupyter notebook. And then here you go. You'll even see that to use this code, it gives you suggestions. You got to install this, that, and the other. And I mean, this is absolutely fantastic stuff. And it happened in seconds. It literally took seconds for it. It's very, very fast. Again, it's open source. And apparently the rumors are it cost a lot less to train, a lot less in inference costs. Again, these are conjecture out there because nobody's 100% sure what's going on there. But pretty cool stuff there. So it is in ChatLLM Teams. Now let's take a quick look at CodeLLM, and I'll show you how to do it there. All right, so the next thing I want to show you is CodeLLM, but here we are. We're still in ChatLLM Teams, and that's fine because what I'm going to do up here is click at the top. I'm going to click on this little toggle or tab. And then when you do that here, you're going to see in the tools bar, you get CodeLLM. It's new. And again, it comes bundled with ChatLLM Teams. It's awesome. When you click on it like I've done here, you get a few options. You can download or you can open it. I've already got a version of it, so I'm going to click on open. But before I do that, you'll see here that we've got download for Mac, and it's got Apple Silicon and the Intel chip versions, Linux, and the various Windows platforms as well. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Open CodeLLM, and then it's going to go ahead and cook it up. Here we go, and now I'm in it, and in here, let me show you what you can do inside their amazing AI code editor. All right, so here we are. We're in CodeLLM, their AI agent, or their AI code editor, I guess the better way to put it. And yes, again, it comes integrated and free with ChatLLM Teams, at least as it is right now. So here we go. I've gone ahead and opened it up here. The first thing you'll see up on the top right is Deepseek R1 is selected. So that is the large language model that we are working with. However, when I click on it, you'll also note you can use CodeLLM, which is their smart routing system. They've got O1, O1 Mini, Claude Sonnet 3.5, big favorite in the developer space. But let's go with Deepseek R1 because that's the one for today. And then at the bottom here, on the bottom right, it says write something. So this is where we can go ahead and put in what we're looking for. So I've got a prompt here ready to go. I wanted to write a function to measure the latency of an API call and return whether it meets a given threshold in milliseconds. So I'll click on send here, and then you'll see up here, if I scroll to the top, I went ahead and already did the sample code to plot Nvidia stock prices using Python, and it went ahead and cooked it up for me here. And if you see here, you can copy it, you can insert it into your document, or you can apply it. So just so you guys know, I've already tried that, but I wanted to use a new one here. So here we go. At the bottom right, you'll see here it's processing. Now, I should note that Deepseek R1 kind of is in between O1 in terms of, the amount of time it takes for it to go, and for Omni, which makes sense because it's not quite as good as O1 according to most people, but it is still really good. So here it is. It's cooking up for us, and it's doing it in real time. I guess you could see if I wanted to make this a little bigger so you could see it better. There we go, something like that. And then there we go. So it's gone ahead and given us exactly what we were looking for. And if you want to go through it line by line, feel free to do that here. It says import time, import requests, from typing, import tuple. Oh, wow, that's way out of my league. I'd had a code, but not like that. Not that good here. And then it'll give you a summary of the key features. Copy, insert, apply. So if I wanted to click on insert, there we go. We would put it inside here. This is absolutely amazing, guys. I mean, let's insert some more. There we go. A little bit prettier. Guys, this is absolutely amazing. This comes with ChatLLM Teams. Deepseek R1 is integrated. It's in US servers, so you don't have to worry about your data, your privacy, security, anything like that. ChatLLM and the crew over there at Abacus AI are absolutely cooking with fire. They release something every couple days. It's amazing, guys. Links in the description below. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.